Hi everyone, I'm doing a Subway review today. I ordered the a foot long pulled pork with salad and various sauces, and it's had a little bite already. Luckily, the guy, without me saying, he put a good amount of pulled pork, but it just depends on what server you get. I got the combo here. You get like cookies and a drink and everything. Yeah, and I ordered. See if I can open it. I got like pulled pork with tomato slices, cucumber, red onions, jalapenos, extra onion, red onion, and I ordered the. I like a bit of spiciness, so I got the chipotle sauce, and that's got a bit of a heat kick, and then smoky barbecue, and some other sauce. Just can't think of it. Like a creamy sauce that was hot as well, and lots of what do you call those? Lots of black olives as well, and American cheese, the kind of yellow one they use on burgers. So I'll give it a try and see how it tastes again. Not sure if that focused. Well, it's nice. It's creamy. It's a bit spicy. The pork, it needs a bit of salt, so I asked him to put salt. It's soft. It's not fall off the bone, but it's sort of. Yeah, it's soft. Tastes a bit tangy. Could be the sauce. You can taste the barbecue. An Italian herb bread. Yeah. They're not bad. I like that. I got extra jalapenos, like I said. That I like that kind of spicy kick. But they're not like really hot like chilies, but it's hot, sort of. So if you like a bit of spice, otherwise just don't get that. Yeah, they got plenty of sauces there. This is good, but a bit pricey. $23. No, I think it was like $25 or $26 for the whole combo on that. Got some cookies with it. Got two of those, double choc with the white. I'll try that too. It's kind of soft, choc chippy, nice. Good with a cup of coffee later. Yeah, when you get a combo, you kind of feel like you've had a big dinner. You've had everything. You get the meat, saltiness, and then you get like the drink. Water, orange juice, whatever. I'm having Pepsi with mine at home. Batman, of course. And yeah, I think overall I'd give it a 7 out of 10 for taste. Value 5 or 4. Pretty, not the best value, but I guess unfortunately all the businesses are just charging extra now. But maybe they should do more promotions, that would be great. Subway or other businesses. Yeah, so that's that. Here's one that I haven't touched yet. It's also got spinach in it too, and lettuce. Spinach and lettuce as well. If that's going to focus. Yeah. So yeah, that's a 6-inch. So I got 2 of those, so out to there if it fits. Alright guys, thanks. If you'd like to see more videos like this, just give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. Yeah, nice and healthy this. Yeah, and I'll do more. I've got another few videos coming out. I did a Jamaican goat, curry goat, which I tried earlier today, so I'm going to put that out too soon. So yeah, if you want to see an Australian perspective, yeah, thumbs up, appreciate it, bye.